はい、Tadesh。おはようございます。
おはようございます。
元気。
元気。
さあ、今日よろしく。
お願いします。
今日釣りですね。We're going fishing in Japan. Awesome. Got a few tainobara lures, some jigging, some live bait, maybe.
タイラバ。
Ah. How is condition today? 今日コンディションはどうですか？
良さそうですね。風もなくてね。
最高。
秋らしくなってきましたね。
秋。What's 秋 in English? 秋。
秋 English. 秋 English.
Is autumn.
Autumn.
Autumn season. Yeah, that's it. Autumn. So guys, I'm Dane. I'm the guy speaking English and a little bit of Japanese, and that's Tadashi. And he's the guy who speaks Japanese and a little bit of English. And we're going fishing today on Seafari Japan boats and see if we can catch some fish. Hope you can follow along and have some fun. Let's go. Hey, so folks, we're out here today and doing some top water at the moment. Out here in Katsura, Japan. Beautiful sunrise. Air temps are around 24 degrees. Water temps are sitting at around 25 degrees. Got my good man, pro captain Tadashi on board. And top water. Tadashi, what are we fishing for, Emma?
Boy.
何の今釣り？
今、ヒラマサトップウォーターゲームですね。
ヒラマサ？ヒラマサと what else? So hiramasa, which is kingfish, Japanese kingfish, guys. And occasional warasa. Is it? Warasa, right? Tadesh. Buri. Inada. Ah. So lots of the different yellowtail species. Got really lucky, a little bit of tuna. Hey, so guys, we just stopped out here and if you have a look at that sonar right there, you're going to see absolutely packed with bait. Definitely iwashi, which is little sardines, but we're not sure on the size. We think they're hyper small. Just fishing with little size 9 hooks here with Tadashi, and we're not picking anything up at the moment, which to me says that it's sort of super micro bait. Just trying to see if we can get some bait and then use that as a bit of dead bait. But yeah, kind of struggling here at the moment. And here we go, folks. Having a look down here if we can get him. Have a look here. There we go. Here's our little iwashi. There we go. There he is. That's what we're looking at. Tiny little iwashi. What are they called in Japanese, Tadashi? Katakuchi. Katakuchi iwashi. There you go, guys. Hopefully you can see that. Katakuchi iwashi. That's what we're dealing with here, which is a little bit too small for us for the bait. If that was 3 times the size, it would be perfect. But unfortunately, he's not. So yeah, a little baby sardine there. It's going to make this fishing difficult today. Choices. Off you go, buddy. It's probably someone's next snack. Not sure if the GoPro is going to pick these up, guys, but you can see all that bait just darting around down there. Super mini bait. So guys, we've got the whales. Hopefully you'll be able to see them on the GoPro in a minute. But they're just off to our left over here. What do you call those whales in Japanese, Tadashi?
Oh, Tsunameri.
Tsunameri. Yeah, so they're like a little porpoise. There they are on the left-hand side, just over here. Oh, there's a big load of them. There they are. There's about すごいいっぱい. Yes, a Japanese Tsunameri just here. Japanese whales. Oh, 近い近い。
いっぱいいるよ。
近い近い。すげえいっぱい。Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, there's so many. There might be 20 plus. Oh, すげえいっぱい。うわわわわ
これ
わ。
魚釣れないよ、これいたら。
すげえ見て。そんなにいっぱいある。うわ綺麗。I think this is the most I've ever seen. 初めてそんないっぱい。How many do you think, Tadashi? 何匹ぐらい？
ここ今？
うん。
2、30匹いるでしょ。
2、30匹ぐらい。So 20 or 30 Tsunameri porpoises. So they're Japanese porpoise whales. Amazing creatures. And what they're doing is they're herding the iwashi, the bait. Stunning. Amazing. そんなにいっぱい初めて。すげえ。
言い過ぎ。
いっぱい。すげえ。To the BG 8000 from Daiwa, and running just a little 4-hook rig, and bait bombing on the bottom for aji and a bunch of other stuff. Let's see how we go on. Oh, nice shimmer aji. Look at that, Tadashi. So what? Yeah, it's small, but it's a good looking shimmer aji. Look at that. Nice fish, Tadashi. Oh, that's what we want, right? We want those ones. Sort of overkill with this rod, but you never know what you're going to get. How long have you been fishing for, Tadashi? 何年?
30年。
30 years fishing, Tadashi.
イサキ。
Ah, oh, Isaki. Ah, little Isaki. Oh, did you keep that one? Release, yeah. Little bit too small, that one, I reckon. It just got smashed. I definitely got something here, Tadashi. Oh, something.
Nice.
It's not too big.
Big
Oh, I don't know. Let's have a look again. Ah, he's twisted up, has he? Oh, not that big one as before, but a good little size. They're after the Ika. Fun size. It's a little mackerel. Little Aji. Let's have a look at him. There we go. Nice little one, baby. There's something a little bit bigger. Well, there was. Oh, Saki. そんな小さいまででしょ。
小さい。ウリボ。ローカルネームウリボ。
ウリボ。
イノシシの子供と同じカラー。カラーリングイノシシの子供。
Ah.
ウリボ。
What's it called? ウリボ。ウリボ。Hang on a second, let's pick him up. What's it called? Uribo. Uribo. Local people call that Uribo because the color, it looks like the baby deer and stuff. Yeah, a little one. There you go. Nice little fish, but we're going to let him release. Beautiful colouring on him and stuff, so we're just going to let him go. There you go, buddy. Off you go. Thank you. Little hammerhead over here cruising the boat. Don't know whether you see him, it's just over here. Oh, there he is, straight in front, hammerhead. Cruising the boat. Nice. Just checking us out. Might come over and say hello. Let's have a look. Here we go. See the fin just here? Here he comes, guys. He's just spotted us. Doesn't want anything to do with us. There he goes, off the back of the boat, hammerhead. Oh, 魚あるよ。ちょっとジギン。ファーストジグだよ。
これボールイワシボール。
ファーストジグだよ。そう。 すげえよ、イワシボール。ボールあるよ。トライして。そう。足が
なんか釣れた。
おのあるよ、あるよ。おお、何のサバサバ、ナイスヒット。おお、いいです。So right here with these bait balls, and we're after this sort of little saba, little saba and everything. So just kind of casting little lures and seeing if we can hook into some images of that, into some saba. Oh, there you go. I'm in. Yeah, little saba, here they come. Look at this one. He's super fast and ginky. Little saba on the 100 yen shop lure. Look at that. Super ginky, super little saba. There we go. Pop him in there. Straight back out. Look up. Check this out. Ready? Little flick into the lineup. Gonna let him drop for about 6 or 7 seconds, and then we'll try and give him a little flick out. Get something chasing him. We might get really lucky. Oh, what a magic afternoon. How good is this today? 最高、楽しいね。Rolling the bait ball, guys. We're after these little saba. Off the, oh, there we go, hooked in, straight in. Look at this, there we go, straight in, guys, on the bite. Beautiful. Not a big one, but what's straight up and in the boat. There we go, up and off. Perfect. There we go, guys, that's it. Oh, saba, oh, mackerel. Have a look at that. He's genki. Sweet. Get him in there. Got some beautiful fish today. Shimaji, look at that. 3 little small saba, dinner tonight, and then the king. Wow, look at the size of this aji. That thing is huge. Wow, that is just massive aji. Whoa. 1, 2, dinner for tomorrow night. 1, 2, 3, dinner for tonight.